Hi Empress Universe. Today I'm going to show you how my table setting for two looks like. Here are some simple traditional etiquette tips on how to set a table. What would happen if you set a table like this? It does not look good and you have to clean up the mess before you even start. Let's try another way. To start, use a plate mat or a tablecloth, but not both, so the dish is not directly on the table. This is more about looks than etiquette. Set out any flowers of your choice or candles or other decorations you like. With utensils for the main course, putting your dinner fork on the left and the dinner knife on the right, since those are the hands we use them for. As a helpful tip, you always eat outside, so to set for salad, we put the salad knife to the outside of the dinner knife. Notice too that the knife blades are both pointed towards the plate. This is an old tradition from a time when dinner knives were quite sharp, and it was a sign of politeness and non-aggression to keep them pointed away from the diners. We might have soup, and soup usually comes first. The soup spoon goes on the outside of the knives since we use our right hand to hold it. Now for the desserts. I will place the dessert spoon up top. Since we don't need it for a little while, notice that the bowl of the spoon is pointing to the left. This way, when it's time to eat, you just slide it down. Next, we will anchor our setting with the plate. The bread plate goes up into the left of the setting and the butter knife goes on the plate at the angle, again with the plate pointing in. There's only one spot left, and that is for the drinks. Set the wine glass to the upper right and place the water glass to the left of it in an angle. If you're like me and never remember which goes where, think water, W-A, wine, W-I. They go left to the right in alphabetical order. Another tip to remember, left and right with the bread and drinks. Think BMW, like the car. B, your bread plate is on the left. M, your meal is in the middle. And W, your water is on the right. Lastly, napkins traditionally goes to the left of the forks, though it's okay to put it underneath them too. For a fancy meal, you can put the napkin in the middle. Now we are ready to eat. Hopefully these tips will be helpful the next time you ask to help set the table or sit down at a fancy meal. Enjoy! These are my table manners whilst having a meal. Sit up straight and no elbows on the table. Start off by putting the napkin on your lap. You can use both hands to tear your bread. Hold the wine glass at the stem of the glass. Always sip from the inside of the soup spoon. Hold the meat down with your knife and slice it through. Instead of wiping your mouth like this, use a napkin to dab your mouth. Lift the fork until it's vertical in your mouth. This is delicious. And these are my table mannerisms. Thank you, Empress Universe.